All right, PreCal, let's take a look at this question here. So we have log base 128 is 1 to the 4th. So what we said previously is we want 1 to the 4th to be written as 128 to some power. That's going to be a little difficult to do here, so that's okay. When that's the case, we can always default to the log. So we'll just do the log. And so when I log it, I get 128. Oh, so sorry, to convert into exponent format. Apologize. I get 128 raised to the x equals 1/4. And so I don't like to deal with fractions, so I'm going to write 4 as 4 to the -1, and we'll leave 128 as such. And then we want to figure out, hey, can we get these bases to match up? And so the idea here is, could we maybe change 128 to 4 to something? Well, I know 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 is 64, times 4 is 256. So no. Okay, but that's okay, because I can rewrite both 4 and 128 as a power of 2. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to rewrite 120 as 2 to the what? Well, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times, well, let me do it this way. So 2 times 2, 2 squared is 4. 2 cubed is 8. 2 to the 4th is 16. 2 to the 5th is 32. 2 to the 6th is 64, and 2 to the 7th is 128. So we know that this is 2 to the 7th raised to the x. And really, I hope in time that if this is not already in your head, you start memorizing these, start having these stuck in your head. I wouldn't like consciously try to memorize it, but having that in your head makes your life a little easier. So we have 2 to the 7 raised to the x equals 2 squared raised to -1. If you're confused about 2 squared, 2 times 2 is 4. The rule is that we multiply these together, right? When we raise to another power, we can multiply. So this is 7 to the x equals -2. So x is -2/7. And there's our answer. So when in doubt, claw and get the bases to match up, and you win. Hope that makes sense. See you guys in the next math video.